Have you ever dreamt of earning money while you sleep, travel, or just relax with your loved ones? Sounds too good to be true, right? But in the digital age, this dream can be a reality. Stay with us as we dive into 10 incredible digital product ideas that can turn that dream into passive income streams. From the written word to art and technology, we'll explore the vast universe of opportunities that exist at your fingertips. And trust us, by the end, you'll wonder why you hadn't started on this journey sooner. The future of income might just be more passive than you think. Number 1. Ebooks. Ebooks have stood the test of time as a popular passive income source. Whether you're a novelist, an expert in a particular field, or someone with a unique hobby, writing an ebook can turn your knowledge and expertise into a revenue stream. The beautiful thing about ebooks is the low overhead. Once written, you can sell it countless times with a minimal additional effort. To create a successful ebook, it's essential to focus on delivering valuable content. Whether you're teaching a skill, telling a story, or providing insights, the content should resonate with your target audience. Market research can help identify gaps in existing materials and give you an edge. Promotion is key. Leverage your network, social media platforms, and other marketing strategies to get your ebook in front of the right audience. Platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad can help self-publish your book. With the right strategy, your ebook can become a consistent source of passive income, allowing you to earn while also sharing your knowledge with the world. Number 2. Online courses. The e-learning industry has exploded over the last few years, and it shows no signs of slowing down. If you possess a particular skill or knowledge in a specific domain, online courses can be a goldmine for passive income. They offer scalability, as you create the course once and can sell it to an infinite number of students. Creating a high-quality course requires a blend of solid content, engaging delivery, and a touch of marketing magic. Remember, your course should offer clear benefits and actionable takeaways. Break your content into digestible modules and use various media, like videos, quizzes, and PDFs, to keep the learning experience dynamic. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific simplify the course creation and sales process. They handle hosting, payment processing, and even some marketing, allowing you to focus on content creation. Properly marketed and maintained, an online course can provide consistent passive income for years to come. Number 3. Stock photography and videography. Visual content is in high demand, especially with the growth of patterns like Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. If you're good with a camera, stock photography and videography can be lucrative. Businesses, bloggers, and designers frequently search stock platforms for quality images and videos to enhance their content. To succeed in stock photography, it's essential to understand what kind of images are in demand. Lifestyle shots, unique perspectives, and high-quality visuals typically attract buyers. It's not just about clicking random pictures. It's about creating content that has commercial appeal. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers and videographers to upload their work and earn royalties whenever someone purchases their content. While competition is stiff, with consistency and quality, this can turn into a reliable source of passive income. Number 4. Digital printables. Digital printables are all the rage these days. They are essentially documents that consumers can download and print at home. This can range from planners and journals to wall art and organizational tools. The key to succeeding with digital printables is to find a niche. Whether it's wedding planning, home organization, or productivity, it's essential to create something that serves a specific need. Moreover, the design plays a vital role. A well-designed printable can command a higher price and draw more customers. Etsy is a popular platform for selling printables, but you can also set up your own e-commerce website. Since digital printables are a one-time creation, they can continuously generate income with minimal upkeep, especially if you continually update or release new designs. Number 5. Digital art and graphics. If you're an artist or graphic designer, digital art and graphics can be an ideal way to earn passive income. From character designs and digital paintings to logos and icons, there's a broad market for digital art. The critical aspect here is uniqueness and quality. With countless digital artists available, it's essential to have a distinct style or offer something different. Also, staying updated with trends and industry needs can give you an edge. Platforms like DeviantArt, Creative Market, or even personal websites can be used to sell your digital art. With each piece you create, you're adding to your portfolio and potentially increasing your passive income streams. Number 6. Mobile apps and software. The tech-savvy can leverage their skills to create mobile apps or software that address specific needs or problems. Whether it's a game, a productivity tool, or an innovative solution to a widespread issue, a successful app can generate considerable revenue. Developing an app requires technical skills or collaboration with someone who has them. Moreover, it's essential to identify a gap in the market or a unique selling proposition to ensure your app stands out in a crowded marketplace. Once developed, platforms like Google Play Store or Apple's App Store can be used to distribute the app. Monetization can be through upfront purchase fees, in-app purchases, ads, or a combination of these. Given the global reach of these platforms, a successful app can become a substantial passive income source. Number 7. Podcasts and audiobooks. Audio content is on the rise, and with platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Audible, there's a growing audience for podcasts and audiobooks. If you have a story to tell, expertise to share, or a unique perspective, this medium can be rewarding. For podcasts, consistency is key. Building an audience takes time, and releasing episodes regularly can help retain and grow your listener base. Monetizing can be through sponsorships, ads, or premium content. On the other hand, for audiobooks, if you've written a book, turning it into an audiobook can tap into a new audience segment. Platforms like ACX can help you produce and distribute your audiobooks. With the rising popularity of voice-activated devices and smart speakers, the demand for quality audio content is expected to continue growing. Number 8. Digital templates and themes. Web design and branding are critical for businesses, bloggers, and anyone looking to establish an online presence. Offering digital templates and themes for websites, email newsletters, or social media can serve a considerable demand. Customization is a major plus for clients who want a unique touch but lack the skills to start from scratch. For those well-versed in web design, creating templates for popular platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix can yield substantial dividends. These templates should be responsive, user-friendly, and aesthetically appealing. Offering a range of designs, from minimalist to intricate, can cater to a broader audience. Additionally, platforms like Theme Forest or Template Monster allow designers to upload them and sell their creations. With every sale, you can earn a commission. Once your design is on the platform, with minimal maintenance and occasional updates for compatibility and design trends, it can be a consistent passive revenue generator. Number 9. Membership sites and exclusive content. With the internet brimming with content, there's an increasing appetite for specialized high-quality material. Creating a membership site or offering exclusive content for a subscription fee can capitalize on this demand. Whether it's in-depth industry insights, specialized tutorials, or access to a unique community, members-only content can be quite enticing. To make a membership site work, it's essential to provide consistent value. This means regular updates, engaging content, and possibly direct interactions or benefits for members. Offering a tiered membership can also be beneficial, giving users options based on their needs and budget. While platforms like Patreon are popular for content creators, one can also build membership functionality into personal websites using plugins or specialized software. Engaging with members, understanding their needs, and continually adapting can ensure a steady flow of passive income. Number 10. Digital tools and calculators. In specific industries or niches, there's often a need for specialized tools that can simplify tasks or calculations. Creating digital tools or calculators, whether it's for fitness regimens, financial planning, or project management, can cater to such specific needs. For instance, a calorie counter tool for niche diets, a specialized tax calculator for freelancers in a particular country, or a project timeline estimator for a certain industry can be highly sought after. These tools, once developed, can either be sold as standalone products or embedded into websites with a subscription or one-time fee. Platforms like Code Canyon can host and help monetize such tools. However, for those opting for a more personalized approach, launching it on a dedicated website and driving targeted traffic through SEO and advertising can be lucrative. Remember, the key is to address specific pain points and offer accurate, user-friendly solutions. And there you have it, folks. Venturing into the digital realm is like diving into a treasure trove of opportunities. Grab your digital shovel, pick your gold mine, and start unearthing those passive income gems. Remember, the digital world is vast, but there's always room for fun, creativity, and a touch of brilliance. Until next time, happy treasure hunting.